In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make £40 a day using buxinc.com. You can cash out when you reach 5 grand, but don't worry, you will make 5 grand in 4 months and 1 week if you do this 3 minutes every day. So as you see, 16 clicks is 80 quid. So basically what you have to do is you click the link in the description and then you go to view ads. You basically click here, you click on an advert, £5 every 30 seconds. An advert should pop up in a new tab. You wait 30 seconds, so then you can confirm and be paid. You do this 8 times, you make £40. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. So choose one of the verification items. A website should open. Don't worry about this. This website is just what is being advertised. You close that and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to do it 7 more times now. So you click another advert. Oh yeah, and I've just been paid £5. So my account now has £85. It is simple as that. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video if you want more tutorials on how to make money online every day. Right, see, this is so easy. Literally 30 seconds, you get £5 every time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, as I said, there's a link in the description. You can get started today. Making money, very simple. Paper mills. Oh, that's nice. Right. No, we're not doing that website today, we're doing this one. So yeah, basically, if you enjoyed this video, link going to be in the description. I've already made £90 so far. And yeah, so this is buxinc. Very easy to use. "20 seconds. Says I've made £10 today so far. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click this picture because it's matching that one. That's another £5. We only have 5 more to go through now. My account, £95. "19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also, make sure to share this video to help everyone else out in earning easy, quick money. And remember this website for later. But yeah, enjoy this video, like and subscribe. Okay, guys, link in the description and peace.